As we know, UGC NET exams are in June 2021. Everyone must be prepared for it. Paper 2 is important and everyone prepares well for it as it's a core subject and has a proper guidance as well as study material. But what about paper 1? Everyone ignores it because it seems to be easy and gets less importance. But paper 1 is as important as paper 2. So today we are going to discuss about paper 1 of UGC NET. Hello guys, this is Tushar Rajaram Ahire. Welcome back to Tushar's Online Forensics. And without any delay, let's get started our online forensic class. Today we are going to talk about the paper 1 of UGC NET and we will discuss the syllabus, some book recommendation from my side and how to prepare for it. The paper name is General Paper on Teaching and Research Aptitude. The paper code is 00. This paper has 10 units and 5 questions from each unit carrying 2 marks for each question. That is, the weightage of this paper is 100 marks. Unit 1, Teaching Aptitude. This unit contains what is teaching, the objective, concepts, level of teaching, then learner's characteristics, factors affecting teaching, then methods of teaching, teaching support system and evaluation system. So the detailed syllabus link is given in the description box. Please go and check it out. Unit 2, Research Aptitude. What is research? The meaning of research, types of research, characteristics of research. Then methods of research, steps of research, thesis and article writing, applications of ICT in research and research ethics. Unit 3, Comprehension. The passage of text is given and you have to answer the questions from the passage. Unit 4, Communication. Communication, meaning, type and characteristics of communication. Effective communication, barriers to effective communication, mass media and society. Unit 5, Mathematical Reasoning and Aptitude. Types of reasoning, number series, letter series, codes and relationships, and mathematical aptitude. Unit 6, Logical Reasoning. It includes understanding the structure of arguments, evaluating and distinguishing deductive and inductive reasoning, analogies, Venn diagrams and Indian logics. Unit 7, Data Interpretation. Sources, acquisition and classification of data, quantitative and qualitative data, graphical representation and mapping of data, data interpretation and data and governance. And Unit 8, Information and Communication Technology, that is ICT. ICT, the general abbreviation and terminology, basics of internet, digital initiative in higher education and ICT and governance. Unit 9, People, Development and Environment. Development and environment, human and environment interaction, environmental issues, impact of pollutants on human health, natural and energy resources, natural hazards and disasters, and Environmental Protection Act 1986. Unit 10, Higher Education System. Institution of higher learning and education in ancient India, evaluation of higher learning and research in post-independence India, Oriental, conventional and non-conventional learning programs in India, professional, technical and skill-based education, value education and environmental education, policies, governance and administration. There are several books in the market, but these are some recommended books from my side. The books are KVS Madan, Truman's publication, Oxford publication and Arihant publication. If you bought other book, it's okay, no problem. You can refer that too. The idea is to clear the concept of each unit from this topic so that you can refer any book or any material. Now, how to prepare for the paper 1 of UGC NET? First, read and clear the concept of each unit by referring any material or book. Then solve the question bank or question paper of previous year, preferably the previous year question papers. The motive is to clear the concept by reading the books or any material and solving the question paper. For your convenience, I am giving the link through which you can access all the question paper from the previous year. Please press the like button and share this video to your friends who are preparing for UGC NET. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.